How to go live from your Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can go live from your Instagram app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is, of course, have the Instagram app and open it up and then log in into your account. After doing that, you'll be on the initial page of Instagram. Now what you'll need to do is simply swipe right. After you swipe right, you will be on this page right here from where you can add your story or even post your reels and your different posts as well. So after you're on this page right here on the bottom, you'll find different options. You can choose whichever you want. For this video, we'll just select the live option, and after you tap on the live option, you'll be here. And on the top, you'll get the option where you can share with people. You will see who you can share your live with. So there is also an practice option. You can tap on practice if you want to do that. Other than that, there is everyone where you can share your live with all of your friends and followers. So choose whichever you want, and after you do that, you will see different options here as well. The option here is you can add a title, you can add your brand partners and stuff like that. And the other is here you can schedule your live. So you can tell your friends about your live video and when you're starting it. After you're on your your Instagram's live, you can add your effects too. And to start the live, all you need to do is tap on that option. And it starts checking your connection, and then it should start your live right away. As you can see, it gives me an option that says you are live right now. And yeah, that is how you can start a live in your Instagram, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.